can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit that I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Devil's Head Ski Resort in Wisconsin, and we're going to rip this place. It looks super fun. They got a nice little park set up and everything. So enough talking, let's get to snowboarding. I'm ready to get my body moving. It's like 7 degrees right now, so let's get moving. So our microphone died. I don't know if it's because it's freezing cold out here or not, but it's not going to stop us from mentioning today's sticker shout out. We got Brian Barnett 972 with the camel sticker on the helmet, looking insane, man. As well as we got Gurmako with the white Evolution sticker on the snowboard, looking insane, guys. You want an Evolution sticker? And if you're a skier and you want one, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. They're all linked in the description if you do snag any of the merch, guys. Just make sure you guys... Oh wait, we have a ski version of the Evolution sticker right there. Let's go. But if you do snag any of the Evolution stickers, guys, make sure you guys tag me on my Instagram, or if you have any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, windbreakers, guys, all the merch is linked down below. Benton's gonna phone call there with a sticker shout out.
Come on, Benton.
Come on, Benton, put that on silent. But if you guys do snag any of the merch, make sure you guys tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout out, as well as follow the Instagram and the TikTok for bonus extra content. We're posting short form content there, which is really incredible and super awesome. And so yeah, follow those 2 platforms. And I'm gonna put my glove back on because it is freezing cold, and I think that's why the mic isn't working, because it's just too cold. So normally we don't duck ropes, but it's the only way to hit both marks.
Across the country just to come and hit these tiny little resorts makes my heart feel warm.
Good,
so
dude. Well, these resorts are special in so many ways.
Oh, you guys are rocking it like kids. Seriously, it's awesome.
Living the pro lifestyle without being a pro.
Hell yeah.
It's sick. Or being a pro. You can come take a lap with us, or keep laughing with us too. Alright guys, so the only problem with we're experiencing right now is this chairlift. It is just so slow, so we're not getting as many laps. So we got to still go ride Christmas Mountain later tonight, and so we're trying to get as many laps in here as possible. But the thing that's slowing us down the biggest is this super duper slow chairlift. But we're gonna keep lapping. We're gonna keep going. See ya, skiers. See ya, skiers. Tell you what though, there is a view here. It's pretty sick. drop. I'll get him. He sprayed me. Thanks for having my back, Benton.
I completely toasted him.
So we saw this kid jump this rock, and of course Benton goes, I can do that. So now we're here waiting for Benton to crawl up on this rock. That last kid hit his nose on this stick and then hit his head right there.
I'm just standing on a rock.
Well, it is a rock.
I mean, you're jumping a rock. I would assume that there's a rock up there.
There's nothing I don't know about this rock. It's like a boulder.
It's not a boulder. It's a rock.
Picture me being a tank. The tree will fall, not me.
The tree did not fall. I want you to know, Benton does all of that by himself.
That's pretty neat.
I'm really sad about the not having a microphone because the mics literally change the content. They make it so much better. I'll try and recharge it up in the car for Christmas time. But we're doing our best we can with this. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Because the other videos where we have a microphone on us are super good. It's kind of like old school now. We made so many videos with the microphone and stuff. So there we go. A couple more in us, and then we got to head over to Christmas Mountain. This park is actually pretty fun, pretty slick. The rails are a little sticky, which is kind of a bummer. I'm not gonna lie, guys. If we didn't find that shortcut to get to this run, today wouldn't have been as sick as it is. Alright, Cody, let's rip.
I wouldn't say it's a land, but I wouldn't say it's a fall.
Alright guys, we need to get you involved here. So Benton was telling Damon he had to do a 7 if he landed a 7 or did a 7. I'm saying Benton's 7 wasn't a land because he hand drug it kind of like, and he's saying he did land it. We need you guys to answer this in the comments. Was that a land, Benton's trick? You decide. You don't get to talk. I get to talk. I'm a judge. I get to talk. I get to talk. No, you don't. No, you don't. Here we go. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. Let's go! Alright guys, so with this being Chipmunk, I know what you guys are thinking. Why did we come to Devil's Head to snowboard when we live in Colorado? We got Copper Park, we got Keystone, all these awesome places to ride. Noah over here has thought the same thing. He's like, why come to the Midwest? It's because we have a goal to ride every resort in the United States. Now, that means we got to come to a lot of small places like this in the Midwest, as well as places on the East Coast and everything like that. And the way you guys can track our progress, as well as see if we rode your ski resort, is to go to resortskimaps.com. It is our website. It's where we track everything. All the green logos are the ones that we have ridden at, so you can click on those, watch the videos there. If your resort is red, you can click on the schedule and see where we're going to ride. If we're going to ride it this season, if it's not on there this season, maybe next season, or next season after that. You know, it's going to take a couple years to ride all these resorts, but we're going to do it all. But the resort map is also just a cool place to check out like the resort review scores, because we do resort reviews of all these resorts. And you also can check the weather. We have a little like radar system that pops over the whole map and everything like that. The resort map is probably the coolest thing we have. So check out the resort map, and then after you do that, sign up for snowboard camp. If you want to get better at snowboarding and you want to learn from me, my snowboard camp is linked in the description. It's in June. It's in Mount Hood in Oregon. It's a summer camp for adults that if you want to get into park riding, you got to be a pretty competent rider. You don't have to be an incredible rider, but if you can make S-turns on blues and blacks, then you're definitely able to come to camp. So sign up for camp, check out the resort map, and here we go. Chipmunk, Noah, thanks for ripping with us today, man. That nose grab, your last one, I told him to shift his hand just a little higher on his nose, and that one was money, dude.
At the top.
To the top. We'll be up there in 10 minutes because this lift is slow. Never ride a closed run like this, but the reason why we are is the subscribe button's in here, so you guys need to click that. But also, this is Benson's idea. Sick day. It was actually a lot of fun barn riding. Well, probably if the sun is out too. It's always better when the sun's out. We'll keep good angles, you know, for YouTube. Alright guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, we have a goal to ride every resort in the United States, and we have one more. We were going to go to South Dakota and ride a resort, but it opens at 3 and we need to get back home and stuff like that, so we're going to bail on that one. We'll hit it another time. But once again, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us. Thank you so much for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because it is daily on this channel.